So this is the Pro Grade bypass kit, and this just allows you to bypass the Aquasana system, and that way, while you're changing your filters on your Aquasana, the rest of your household can have water. So here's where these go. You got your 1-inch male Tipex, it's right there. Threads right here. And then get this 1-inch male, goes right here into there. And get this T. Now Aquasana does it a certain way, and I've been doing it a different way because it uses less pipe the way I do it, and it's just easier to deal with. So what I do is I'll put this, so your 1-inch T, 1-inch T. These are brass PEX, and this is a 1-inch ball valve. And then what will happen is you'll have the water, the city water, unfiltered, coming to the Aquasana. It'll go straight there, as long as this is closed. Right now it's in the open position, but pretend this is closed. So if this is closed, the city water is going to come in. It's not going to go past that. It's going to go into the Aquasana. It's going to do its thing in the Aquasana, and it's going to have, you're going to have the water from the Aquasana nice and clean coming up through here, not going past that if it's closed. Clean water going into your house. But if you want to shut off your Aquasana right there, and then there's another place to shut it off over here, you can open this and your Aquasana will be shut off, and your city water will come in. Can't go into the Aquasana, comes over here and goes into your house. So it bypasses the Aquasana system while you change your filters, which is fine. And then this one, I usually put it over here. It will make a lot more sense if you see it all put together. This one I put over here, and then there, like this one, I will use over here. Yeah, it doesn't, if you're not used to this stuff, it doesn't make sense just laying it out like this, but the idea is the city water comes in here. Actually, city water will come in here, and that'll be closed. I don't even know why I'm explaining this. It doesn't make sense unless it's on the wall. Unless you're a plumber, I guess. Anyway, so the city water comes in here. This sort of acts as your new water main. Goes through your low maintenance pre-filter. Goes through your Aquasana. Cleans out the chlorine and all kind of stuff. Goes through this little union here. Goes through your post filter. And then it comes out of here. Then it's going to come up your UV filter to kill whatever bacteria might be in there. And for most, city water situations, there's no bacteria, because by law they have to keep it out. But if you're a household that wants to never have to boil your water, like if there's a water main breach or something in the town, or if there's like a construction on the lines or something, and you have a boil water warning, your household won't have to worry about it. This will kill whatever bacteria might be in there, and this will go to the house.